In woodworking, precision and speed matter. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time craftsman, the right vise will make every project go a little bit easier. That's why today, we want to introduce you to the Yost 7WW-RA, a rapid action 7-inch woodworking vise built to clamp like a champ. This isn't your grandpa's vise. Ductile cast iron jaws, machined steel guide rods, and the black enamel finish delivers serious durability and rock solid stability, even under pressure. Other vises use cheaper castings or poorly machined parts, but Yost precision and quality are clear the moment you tighten down the heavy-duty 1-inch screw with the steel no-pinch handle. This means superior clamping force with no play, no flex, just grip. Boasting a 9¼ inch jaw opening and a 4-inch throat depth, this vise gives you plenty of space to tackle larger projects without compromising grip. For those more delicate woods, the jaws can be fitted with wooden facings, preventing any marring or indentation. Its rapid action mechanism means no more endless cranking. When you loosen the tension of the jaws, the nut releases entirely and you can slide the vise in and out freely. Just a quick turn, slide, and tighten. That's it. Not only is the quick release fast, it's smooth and reliable and jam resistant, perfect for fast setups and changing work pieces on the fly. And for those longer pieces, the retractable dog gives you an extra holding power when you need it and disappears when you don't, keeping your workspace clean and your workflow smooth. Need to edge joint a board, carve a dovetail, sand, or plane a face flush? The Yost 7WW-RA gets the job done. Whether you're outfitting a home garage or a pro-grade workshop, this vise fits in anywhere. Bench mounted, versatile, and always ready. The Yost 7WW-RA is more than a tool. It's your workshop's new best friend. Fast, firm, and built to last a lifetime. For more information about this vise or any other woodworking essentials, head on over to eastwood.com.